students, in this video lecture we are going to start a new topic, that is operations on set. This is very interesting topic. In your earlier classes you have learned how to perform the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on numbers. Each one of these operations was performed on a pair of numbers to get some another number. For example, if we perform addition of two numbers, then we get another number. That means there are some operations which when performed on two sets give rise to some another set. For example, union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of two sets and symmetric difference of two sets. So these are some basic operations that you are going to start in this chapter. First start with the union of sets. Union of sets. Let A and B be two sets. There are two sets. One set has name A, another set has name B. The union of A and B is the set which consists of all the elements of A and all the elements of B, but the common elements, the elements which are present in set A as well as in set B, will be taken only once. The symbol U is used to denote the union. For example, when we perform union on A and B, we will write A union B. You can remember this union symbol from the word first letter, that is U, from the word union. Union starts with U and the symbol for union is again U. So what is A union B? It means those elements, those X, such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This means the element either it belongs to A or it belongs to B. What is A union B? It consists of all those elements which are present either in set B or in set A. But we'll write the elements which belongs to both sets only one time. For example, let us consider set A as 2, 4, 5, 6. Set B as 3, 4. Then what will be A union B? It is 2, 4, 5, 6 and 3. I will not write 4 again because I have written it earlier, right? So this is my A union B. Now there are some diagrams, that is Venn diagrams, that are used to show the operations on a set. In these diagrams, the universal set is denoted by rectangle. This is our universal set, that is U. In the universal set, we will present our set A and B. Let us consider this is my set A. There is one element B. There is one element 4 which is present in A as well as in B. So there is some common portion in set A and B. So I'll intersect some portion from A and B. This is my B set, this is my A set. Now this portion, this is the intersection portion. That means this portion belongs to A as well as to set B. So I'll write my 4 element here and rest of the elements from A 2, 5, 6 and from set B there is 3, right? So this is my Venn diagram to represent A union B. What will be my shaded portion? That is this portion. This is A portion, B portion, all the portion that belongs to A and B, right? This is my union, A union B. The next topic is intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. Let us consider consider two sets A and B. Then what is my intersection of A and B? The intersection of sets A and B is the set of all the elements which are common to both A and B, that are common to both, right? And the symbol for intersection is inverted U. This is my symbol. This symbol is inverted U. So what is my A union B? It is X such that X belongs to A. Now I'll write AND here. And here I have written OR. That means jam. Here I have written AND. That means AND. This as well as this. X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Right? X should belongs to both sets. For the set A and B, what is my intersection? Which element is common to both? That is 4. So 4 is my element that belongs to intersection. And the Venn diagram will be like this. This is U, this is A, this is B. Here my 4, 2, 5, 6, 3. Right? Now what will be my Venn diagram? Only this portion. This portion will be shaded. This is my A intersection B. My next topic is difference of two sets. Let us consider set A and B. What will be my difference of two sets? In difference of two sets A minus B, I'll write those elements which belongs to the first element but not X belongs to A and X does not belong to B. That means belongs to A, belongs to first element, belongs to first set but not belong to second set. This means X belongs to first set but X does not belongs to second set. For the same sets A and B, what will be my A minus B? 2 is present in set A but not present in set B, so I'll write 2. Now 4 is present in set A and it is also present in set B, so I will not write 4 in the difference of A minus B. The next element is 5. 5 belongs to A, does not belong to B, so I'll write 5 here. The next element is 6. 6 belongs to A but not belongs to B, so I'll write 6 here. This is my A minus B. I'll write those elements which belongs to first set but not belongs to second set. What will be my Venn diagram in this case? This is my universal. This is my A, this is my B, this is 4, 2, 5, 6 and 3. I'll shade this portion only. This is my portion for A minus B. And if I write B minus A, what will be my B minus A? First element is 3. 3 belongs to B but not belongs to A. So I'll write 3 here. Next element is 4. 4 belongs to B but 4 does not belong to A. So I'll not write 4 here. So only 3 element is here. So this is the diagram for A minus B. And what will be the diagram for B minus A? This is A, this is B, this is 3, 4, 2, 5, 6. Only this portion will be, only this portion will go to B minus A. This is the diagram for B minus A.